That's how I mounted my monitor stand. Put a piece of block on the bottom there. The glass top off. Right there. Grab that screw there.
Grab it.
Before you lift it up, you have to take a blade to these pads as they're sticky. The ones on the back. There we go. See? Top out. Pads on the back.
I think now we can double check.
What's up? This thing here? We're going to unscrew it and then we're going to relocate it somewhere else. This is the button thing. Moves it up and down. That's the different settings.
We don't know what these do.
We can kind of figure it out.
Should we like put labels with Hannah stickers?
We should, yeah. Okay, let's just lower it. And then we'll take it out. We'll unplug it. So, essentially, we're going to take this out. We're going to relocate it to the side somewhere. And let me figure it out first.
Wait.
You see it?
Yep, I can see it.
I'm going to put these self-tapping screws in there. One in.
Did you get it in?
That's it.
And then we just have to install the thing.
Tabletop frame. So we got to make sure that we mark the center on the tabletop, we mark the center on the frame. Make sure that it matches. Make sure the front is flush. And Joshy here is gonna drive it in. Okay. Good. If it's not aligned, yeah, do it slowly and then it'll fall into place. Slowly, 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 slowly. Yeah, good. Okay.
We put on a larger table and it's fully functional. You can move up and down and it's larger and now we can put 2 laptops and 2 monitors on. And that's the end.